All right, we got a 2015 Mercedes Benz S550, been to multiple shops for a misfire, dead miss, old school style with the water bottle. This is how it came in. Let's see what's going on with it. All right, so customer stated that he just had the coils and plugs replaced, and I talked to the mechanic myself personally. These coils are replaced. He said they were, I don't know, he got them from AutoZone or something. But look at this right here. He said he had the plugs just replaced. Look at this plug right here, cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 4. Huh. I wonder what happened there. And you think these been replaced within the last couple weeks? So the cylinder that the spark plug came out that was damaged, we see no issues with the cylinder, so we're gonna put plugs and coils in and keep moving. So of course, we're gonna do all factory coils and plugs. Look at the difference in the quality of the coil. Come with the new bolts already installed. We're good to go. All right, we're back up and running. No miss at all. Let's look at our water bottle compared to the first one. That's beautiful, not shaking at all. Old school with the water bottle. Now here is our updated smooth running test. All our values are basically at 0. We are looking good. Thanks for watching.